Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing. This is the racing car decal. It is for door handles. And I purchased this 99 cents for 4 decals. So the seller only got five of those sheets. So I purchased all 5 of them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do this unboxing. Bagging or whatever you call it. So yikes, did I cut it? Yeah, cut partial of the plastic bag or the sheets. So yeah, this is the racing development. TRD stand for Toyota Racing Development. So that's 1 sheet, 2 sheet, 3, 4, and then 5. So these are the decals for the door handle, okay? It looks like it's 3M reflective. So I'll probably need to shine it at nighttime and see if it reflects or not. So anyway, 1 sheet cost me about 99 cents. And it is free shipping, but it is shipped from is it China? Yeah, so it says Singapore air mail. So this is from Singapore instead of China. Okay, guys. So I figured 99 cents, that's a pretty good deal. If you purchase within the USA or within the state, it's going to cost you more than 99 cents per sheet. Anyway, so this is my quick unboxing for you guys to check this out. Hopefully give a thumbs up and like the video, sub, comment, and then share. All right. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.